How to permanently share location in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Once you find the option, open it. Now click on the option Location Services. Enable for the option Location Services. Then click on the option Google Maps. Set it to Always. Now close this. Launch your Google Maps app. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find the profile icon. Click on that. Navigate to the option Location Sharing. Click on Share Location. Share your real-time location. Here you're gonna find the time period. Click on this drop down. As you wanna share your location permanently, set it to until you turn this off. Likewise, below that you're gonna find the contact list. Click on the contact list to whom you wanna share this location. Clicking on the option of More, you're gonna get more option of your contact list. Once you have selected it, you can send it. This way you can easily permanently share location in Google Maps. Now the person who have received this location can open it and will get access to your location. So this is how you can permanently share location in Google Maps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.